H414D Smart Hot Air Rework Station launched. Support desoldering with dual channel. It adopts a removable heating core module design.
Compatible with 1000W, 1200W, 1400W and 1600W heating cores.
Built-in 6-axis gyroscope, realizing gesture recognition. The handle comes with buttons, allowing for one-touch adjustment of various functional parameters. Appearance. There is a lifting handle above it. The standby holder adopts a metal dual-channel standby placement hole. There are 2 knobs on the right side of the standby holder. You can adjust the angle of the standby slot according to your habits. There is a blue breathing light at the end of the handle. When entering the heating mode, it turns red and turns green under cold air mode. Purple under force heating mode. Install and dismantle handle. When replacing the air duct and heating core, the device needs to be powered off. Unscrew the connection between the device and the air duct. The air duct integrates a handle with removable 1.0M 12-pin interface. When reinstalling the air duct, align the black pin socket with the corresponding interface, then tighten the connection. So far, it supports the H414 handle standard version, which adopts a 1400W heating core module, non-removable, and no gyroscope. HK14 handle with buttons, 3 buttons, removable heating core module with gyroscope, the same model in the video. HP14 handle with buttons and screen, 4 buttons, removable heating core module with gyroscope. Remove the cover in the middle of the device. Pull out the heating tube, then you can replace the heating core module of different power. When replacing the heating core, align the black needle with the corresponding position on the handle. Main interface. Turn on the device. You can see that the main interface is divided into left and right parts. Press the temp button to switch to the left channel. Press the air button to switch to the right channel. The characters on the top row respectively are device name. L refers to the left channel, R refers to the right channel. You can switch to the needed functions by pressing the mid button of the handle. The functions respectively are mode, press the plus and dash buttons on the handle to switch among soft mode, top speed mode and standard mode. Switch temperature, press the plus and dash buttons to adjust the temperature of the handle. Switch air speed. You can increase and decrease the air speed of the handle. Switch M1-3. Switch the temperature shortcut channels. Long press the M button on the handle to enter the cold air mode by force. The numbers at bottom refers to the temperature shortcut channels. Press M1, M2, M3 buttons to switch. Press the plus and minus buttons on the left side of the device to set the temperature. Press the plus and minus buttons on the right side of the device to set air speed. Long press the corresponding M channel to save the parameters to the corresponding shortcut channel. On the top right are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and buzzer. The red progress bar below represents the power of the station during use. The set temperature represents the temperature during use. The set air speed represents the air speed during use. The large number in the middle represents the current temperature of the hot air station. The area above is the prompt box area. Long press the temp button to force the current channel into heating mode. Long press the air button to force the current channel into cold air mode. Curve interface. Press the SET button to enter the curve interface. You can also switch left and right channel in the curve interface. The left red process bar represents power. The right blue process bar on the right represents air speed. The red number on the left refers to the temperature. The blue number on the right represents air speed. The above display shows desoldering mode. The numbers at bottom refers to the temperature shortcut channels. Above the temperature shortcut channels are the set temperature and set air speed. Press set again to exit the curve interface. Segment desoldering. Long press the SET button to enter the expanded applications interface. Press the M1 or M2 button to select segment desoldering. Press the SET button to confirm.
You can see the reminder, select channel to save.
You can select the left and right channel. Here we demonstrate with the left channel. Select M1 shortcut. the operation reminder can be seen. Long press set to save as default. Long press M1 M3 to save to channel. Short press M1 M3 to recall on interface. Long press the SET button to save it as the default data. First, let's set the parameter for M1 shortcut. After setting, long press the M1 button to save the data to the M1 shortcut. Then set parameters for channels M2 and M3 one by one. We don't set the default shortcut for the moment. After that, press the M3 button to go back to the main interface. Press the SET button to enter the curve interface. Long press TMP and AIR buttons simultaneously to enter the curve desoldering mode. Long press the two buttons again to enter the segment desoldering mode. You can see that the temperature shortcut channels at the bottom changed as shortcut program. Here we demonstrate with M1 shortcut. Press the SET button to enter the curve interface of segment desoldering. Press the TMP button to switch to the left channel. Pick up the left handle to start the segment desoldering. Curve desoldering. Enter the application options. Select curve desoldering. You can see a curve in the middle of the interface. The principle of parameter setting is the same as segment desoldering. After setting, back to main interface. Long press TMP and AIR buttons simultaneously to enter the curve desoldering mode. Here we demonstrate with M1 shortcut again. Press the SET button to enter the curve interface of curve desoldering. Pick up the left handle to start the curve desoldering. Settings interface. Enter the application interface. Select setting. The first option is language. You can switch among Chinese, English and Russian. The second one is sounds. You can turn it on or off. After turning off, the device will enter mute mode. The third one is sleep wind. You can select between manual or auto. Back to main interface. Take up the hot air handle and put it back. The standby air speed is 100. Here we can adjust the air speed manually. Select auto. Back to main interface. Take up the hot air handle and put it back. You can see the standby air speed is adjusted automatically. The fourth one is Wi-Fi setting. You can choose to turn on OFF the Wi-Fi. Select set Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code with WeChat to enter the mini program. Select product info. Select Aixun Assistant and enter the mini program. Back to the device. Select device info. Find the serial number of the device. Back to the mini program. Find the corresponding serial number of the device. Click connect. Enter Wi-Fi password. Click send. Then it can connect with Wi-Fi. Connect with Wi-Fi successfully. The fifth one is theme. You can choose between dark mode and light mode. The sixth one is device info. It displays the device name, model, software version, serial number, etc. The seventh is checkup. When a new version is released, you can connect with Wi-Fi and upgrade the device to the latest version offline. Upgrade completed. The eighth is reset. We can reset all settings of the station. The ninth one is standby. You can turn it on or off. Compatible handle model, HK14. After turning it on, the handle will enter standby mode automatically when it is placed in horizon. Back to the application's interface. Select temperature calibration.
Currently, it can match with DT02 for temperature calibration. Please check more details through DT02 Smart Thermometer, Operation Video.
Voice control. It also supports voice control. Please check more details in BS08 Smart Voice Center Control Operation Guide. Software upgrade. Connect the device to computer with a Type-C cable. Open Aixun software. When a new version is updated in the future, select on the version you need, then click Upgrade to the latest version. Above are all the operation instructions of H414D. To learn more about Aixun products and software updates, please follow Aixun YouTube channel Aixun or official website www.aixun.com.